What's going on, beautiful people of YouTube? In today's video, I've got something saucy for you guys. I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways that I've recently seen young teenagers on TikTok make tens of thousands, some even hundreds of thousands of dollars, with a very simple way of making money online and piggybacking viral videos using AI to extract them, reposting them, and making money off of that. Now, no, this is not going to be the usual way of reposting these videos, getting 100,000 views, and making a couple $100 off ad revenue. We're not going to be making money off ad revenue at all. This is going to be something completely different. I haven't seen a single video like this on YouTube. I came up with this video idea after I started a page like this myself. Let me show you exactly how to do this. And I want you to answer this quiz for me. I'm going to show you the statistics of a fairly, I would say, very new industry right now. Tell me or comment down below if you think you know what industry this is. Right over here is a chart. Here's 2020, here's 2022, 24, where we are now, 26, 28, 2030, and 2032, so the next 8 years from now. On the left-hand side, you will see revenue in billions. So this is 200 billion, this is $400 billion, this is $600 billion, this is $800 billion, and this is $1,000 billion. And as you can see right over here now, in 2024, this industry is valued at current size of $137 billion. The predictions for next year is $217 billion. The predictions by 2030 is nearly $1,000 billion. Can you comment down below what industry you think this is? I'll give you 5 seconds. The generative AI industry to become $1.3 trillion by 2032. Yes, artificial intelligence, specifically the generative side of artificial intelligence. And this is exactly the industry that you're going to be entering right here, while we're still minuscule compared to the rest of that iceberg to come. This is still just the tip of that iceberg. This is all what's still rest to come in this industry. So if you get started today or this year, it's kind of like creating a YouTube channel on YouTube back in 2008 when YouTube just started. There's no competition, so you're pretty much bound to get all of the views. This is exactly how you can do this. Okay, step number 1, come over to this website called capterra.com. All right, this is a simple database where you can discover resources that you need to grow your business from different softwares, service categories, and more about pages that's not important. Okay, if I click on software categories and I click on email marketing software, it's a silly example, it will give me in a whole list of different email marketing software that we can use for our businesses. So essentially what we're using this tool for is to find AI software online. So let's go and search AI. Here we have Dialpad AI Meetings, which is an HD video conferencing platform that lets you meet face-to-face with clients and colleagues wherever you are. Conti AI is a smart automated social media manager and messenger marketing platform that allows you to create and schedule promoted content. Texter AI, you can get professional blog articles in seconds. Tunes.ai, a bunch of AI tools. All right, one of my favorites as well, spoken about this a few times, is writesonic.com. So this is a unified AI content creation software. It can create YouTube videos, it can create shorts, it can create emails, articles, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Twitter ads, YouTube shorts ads. I can go on and on and on and on, and it just is absolutely incredible what this tool can do. It can do what will take a human months in a couple of seconds. But what we're after with this is, if you scroll down onto any one of these, by the way, any one of these, just go to the website, for example, Add Creative AI. Scroll down and you'll see at the bottom over here, the website has a resource center over here at the bottom. What you're looking for is anything that's got to do with affiliate program. Click on affiliate program. It will open this up in a new tab. Specifically with writesonic.com, you're going to earn a reoccurring commission of $30 every single month on your referrals fee. $79 a month, you're going to earn 30% of that, about $30 a month. $199, you're going to earn about $80 a month. $399, you're going to earn about $120 a month, reoccurring commission. So all you need is, if you can refer 10 people to the advanced plan, you're going to be making over $1,000 a month passively for doing nothing, for eating, sleeping, and pooping. Okay. For the individual section, they have a free plan, Chatsonic individual and standard plan, 30% a month, which is still a fantastic reoccurring income. If you have 100 people referred to the $79 plan, you're making a good income every month. And never mind one or two of the times where you might blow up and you might get 200 referrals off the bat. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. And remember, there are going to be other affiliate programs that will be paying better than this as well. So let's use one more example before we dive into the strategy. Okay, super important that you continue to watch this video if you want this to work. Add Creative AI. Let's try them out. Add creative.ai. We want to go and look for their affiliate program. Scroll down all the way to the bottom of the website. Let's see what they've got here. Okay, here we go. Perfect. Affiliate. Let's click on that. I just want to see also 30% every month. So that seems to be the norm or the standard of what you're going to be making. $0, $1,505 and $275. Okay, so similar to rightsonic.com, anywhere between, well, $7 and I would say about $100 a month. Another fantastic affiliate program that I've personally made over $30,000 myself over the past couple of years as a basic side hustle for referring people to this program, which was complete passive income. And the Builderall program is a funnel builder, much like Carter.com and ClickFunnels. But the best part is you're going to be earning 30% every month. But on the first month, you're going to earn 100% commission. So if somebody signs up under the plan section for the advanced or the essentials plan, you're going to earn, which costs $30. That's just in rands. You're going to earn that full $30. And then every month, 30% of that thereafter, about $13. So you're really getting a nice chunk of money off the first referral. But anyways, how do we make money off all of these referral programs? Well, I'm going to show you how you can make money off all of these at the same time. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to YouTube and we're going to go and search Rightsonic, just the name of it. And we want to find the most viewed videos. So let's come over to filter and we're going to click on view count. Let's have a look at this video over here. 213,000 views, 41 times the outlier score, which is absolutely insane. And let's have a look. This person's obviously talking about the 9 AI tools for business, ChatGPT, Jasper, Rightsonic, and all of them. Okay, so let's quickly wait for this ad to finish. We can skip that. And obviously he's going through all of these AI tools over here. Now, what I'm about to show you, you need to keep a secret. Keep this to yourself. I'm going to show you how you can literally take all of these and make money off of these AI tools all at the same time off of this video. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy the link of this YouTube video. You're going to come over to this website, opus.pro. And this is an AI tool that is going to generate, again, generative AI, that $1.3 trillion industry up and coming, where you can go and paste a YouTube video and generate hundreds or more or less 50 viral short video clips from the long YouTube video. Let me show you an example. We're going to paste that YouTube link that we've just copied, click on get free clips. It's going to take anywhere between 5 and maybe 20 minutes for this to process. So what you can do is you can enter your email and then click on continue. What you're seeing on the screen over here is the whole AI tool busy processing and analyzing this long form video. We'll have to wait about 5 to 10 minutes for this to complete. I'll be back once that's done. So once this is complete, your videos are going to look like this. I just used another video from Iman Gadzi, 7 AI tools that will make you rich. The reason why is because this original video is actually in Spanish, so I didn't want to use that, but it's fine. As long as you can search up, for example, best AI tools. You just want to find the most viral videos of people researching AI tools. So for example, this one over here would be amazing. Got 1.9 million views, 24 times the outlier score. So you could go and use a video like this and run it through opusclip.pro and take a listen to this short video that it's extracted from the long video.
The next AI tool will be useful for just about anyone and have the potential to save tons of time. Now, have you ever read through a seemingly endless contract or some other lengthy document? Now, maybe you had to do some reading for a class, or maybe you said their own.
Breaks this video into short 60-second clips that you can now go and post on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels. So what I want you to do is I want you to do the following. I'm just going to quickly open up a Google document over here and I want you to go and create AI pages on, for example, all of these platforms over here. Number 1, I want you to create a YouTube Shorts channel. 2, I want you to create an Instagram page and post them as Reels. 3, Facebook page. Post them as Reels. TikToks. And go and post them on TikTok. I want you to post at least one video every single day for the next 30 to 100 days and keep on doing so. And then all I want you to do is, at the end of this video, once this video is done, in the caption or on the top comment of your video, just go and type the following caption over here. Comment AI, and I'll send you this or these AI tools over. So essentially what this is doing is, when people are viewing your shorts on the Reels page, the FYP page on TikTok, or the Shorts feed, people are going to see this comment. Firstly, they're going to see the video, and the people that show interest in it are going to comment down below the word AI. At the same time, this call to action is creating engagement on your short video. What does that do? Pushes out your videos even more to a broader audience, causing them to come onto your video, causing them to comment. And then all you're going to do is, you can also set up, by the way, Instagram automation with ManyChat.com. So that actually means when somebody comments on your Instagram page, it automatically DMs them with the link. So then all you're going to do is, once you've posted these Reels and someone comments AI, you're going to send them a DM. Hey there, here's your link to the AI software as promised. You're going to come over to Writesonic or whichever AI tool they're talking about in this specific video. You need to apply for the affiliate program, and you're going to send them your affiliate link. So when they click on that, that's now saved on the server of, let's use Writesonic for example. So that means even if that user comes onto the website a week later and they sign up, you're still going to get the affiliate commission, because those affiliate links are embedded with what you call a cookie. A cookie is a piece of software that remembers that client was referred by you, even if they come onto the website weeks or months later, and you will still get your commission. So all you're doing is you're creating virality through already viral videos through an AI tool that is just taking these long form videos and turning them into even more viral short videos, and you can just mass produce content. Don't overpost, but also don't underpost on all the platforms. And when people comment that keyword, you're going to be sending them all of your affiliate links. If you guys want to get access to my entire artificial intelligence trading playlist here on YouTube, all I would appreciate is leave a like, make sure you subscribe, comment down below your favorite motivational or inspirational quotes, and I'll reply to your comment with a link to that free course and free playlist that I've created for you on YouTube. Take care, guys. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.